AutoDS automates most dropshipping fulfillment, but manual fulfillment is needed when auto ordering fails. A supplier is out of stock, you want to use a different supplier, or for custom orders. Manual mode gives you full control. Steps to manually fulfill an order. Log in to AutoDS dashboard. Go to AutoDS.com, sign in, select your connected store, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, etc. Go to Orders, left menu, click Orders, all orders or pending orders. Find the order you want to fulfill. Filter by status, needs fulfillment, auto order failed, or search by order number. Open the order details. Click the order row. A detailed view opens showing customer info, products, supplier suggestions, and current status. Choose Manual Fulfillment. If auto order failed, look for Manual Fulfill button, red or highlighted, or click Actions, 3 dots, Manual Fulfill. AutoDS shows recommended suppliers, AliExpress, Amazon, CJ Dropshipping, etc., with current prices or stock. Select supplier and place order. Pick the best supplier, cheapest, fastest shipping, in stock. Click Place Order next to it. AutoDS opens the supplier site in a new tab with pre-filled cart, product, quantity, shipping address. Review details. Complete checkout on supplier site using your payment method. After payment, copy the tracking number from supplier. Update tracking in AutoDS, back in AutoDS order details. Paste tracking number, select carrier or other. Click Update Tracking. AutoDS notifies the customer and marks order as fulfilled.